The Action Coalition is located in Johnson County, Tennessee. The coalition deals with mental health and substance abuse issues. And here to tell us more about the mission of the Action Coalition is Trish Burchette and Candice Motsinger. Good afternoon, Trish. How are you doing?
I'm doing very well today. Thank you for having us with you today.
Let's talk about what is the vision of Action Coalition?
Well, the main vision of the Action Coalition is to unite our community toward a healthy, happy, drug-free lifestyle for all of Johnson County.
And, you know, how long is the coalition? How long have y'all been operating?
Well, the coalition is one of the oldest in the state of Tennessee. We've been operating for approximately 14 years. And it began as a group of like-minded people that were coming together to try to work to bring additional mental health services into Johnson County. And then with the addition of a Drug-Free Communities grant, they were able to expand into substance use disorders and working a lot with our children and focusing a lot with our youth on prevention and prevention education for our young people.
And what are some of the resources that you all provide to the community?
Well, we're very excited to be able to provide a lot of different things for our community. We provide medication lock boxes, disposal bags, timer caps, smoking cessation caps, naloxone training. We do naloxone training for our community and also free naloxone kits. And we also have an extensive resource list of treatment options in our region. So if folks need to get into treatment, we don't have a lot here in the community right now, and it's something we're working on, but we do have a very extensive resource list of places that they can call and people that can help them.
Now, right now we're in the COVID-19 pandemic. How do you see the pandemic affecting those that you seek out to help?
Well, we think the current pandemic is going to have a lot of adverse effects on Johnson County. If we don't do something to prevent substance use disorder, it's going to increase. We've already seen the suicide rates in our community uptick a little bit, so we're working hard to get the word out to folks that there are resources to help them. And then the state also has a crisis line that is a good place to start. It's 855-CRISIS-1. I believe COVID-19 is going to be with us for a while, and we need to get ahead of it and help the people in our community that need help.
Let's talk about some of the things that you all are doing within the community right now during COVID-19.
Well, one thing, we've made our resource list available on our Facebook page, or on our website, I'm sorry. It's available on our website, and it's also available for email. We can email that out instead of having to come by the office, and you know, with all the restrictions on having gatherings and having things together. One of the big events that we have during the summer is a 2-week summer camp for our youth. So this year we have decided to kind of take a different route with that and do a virtual summer camp for our young people. It's going to be 2 weeks. It's going to be jam-packed full of things for the kids to do. We're going to have a lot of different prizes for them. So we would really like as many of the kids from kindergarten up through 8th grade that would like to be a part of the summer camp to come in and get involved. All you have to do is send your form in, and then you pick up your packet, and we do everything on Facebook and online, so they don't have to do any meetings or anything like that. And then we're also very excited to be able to work with some of our local students in the school system and the parents to be able to have a summer picnic for our seniors. We want to do something to recognize them. This has been a very difficult time for them. And we're going to be providing backpacks for them with a lot of information and resources about alcohol and nicotine. Right. So we're real excited to be able to take care of that too.
Well, let's invite Candice in right now and talk to her about some other aspects of the Action Coalition.
Okay, thank you.
Let's talk about, you know, y'all are offering medication lock boxes, disposal bags, some other things as well. Talk to us about that as part of that Count It, Lock It, Drop It campaign.
Yes, I am the program coordinator for the PFS-RX grant, which enables us to combat the opioid epidemic in our community. So through that grant, we're able to provide our community members with lock boxes. I actually have one here. All they have to do is come in and fill out a short survey, and they're able to get one of these boxes for free in our community if they're a community member. And we do issue one per household. Unless under certain circumstances we will issue more than one if need be, if they have a lot of medication. But through that grant we also offer medication timer caps. So on the top, it just keeps time between each opening, so people will know when they've opened their medicine the last time, if somebody else may have gotten into it. Because through our focus groups and surveys, we have realized that the majority of people that misuse or abuse prescription medications are getting it from a friend or relative's medicine cabinet without them knowing. So it is an issue in our community, and those are some of the resources we have, along with our drug disposal bags.
Okay.
We have 2 drug drop boxes in our community. One at the Johnson County Sheriff's Department at 214 Honeysuckle Street, and you can drop off there anytime, 24/7. Just walk into the lobby and they'll let you open the box so you can drop off your medications. Or at the Johnson County Community Hospital, 1901 South Shady Street. The procedure there to drop off is between 7 a.m. and 7 p.m., and you have to be wearing a mask. You have to take your own mask. They won't provide you one. And they'll screen you by asking you a couple of questions, and then they'll come around and open the box for you to drop off your medications.
Right.
But for individuals that may not be able to get out and get to those boxes, we do offer the deactivation bags in our office.
And Candice, we got just a few seconds here left. Tell us how folks, if they want to get involved, if they want to find out, how can the community reach out to Action Coalition?
We are located at 138 East Main Street. They can come by our office. They can call 423-727-0780. We are on Facebook, Instagram. We're available in a lot of online portals. Our website, actioncoalition.org, they can get information there and get our emails. So there's lots of ways they can get in contact with us.
All right. Candice, thank you so much. Thank Trish as well. Folks, it's
Yes,
Action Coalition right there in Johnson County, taking care of mental health and substance abuse issues right there in Johnson County, Tennessee.